Farmers Almanac is a nationally known brand that represents trust and authority. Published every year since 1818, Farmers Almanac has grown to be the most authentic source for current, creative, and useful advice on ways to live a more homegrown, independent, and satisfying lifestyle. With more than 1 million copies of the Farmers Almanac sold on newsstands each year, more than 1 million visitors per month to its popular website, and the ever-expanding number of people following the Farmers Almanac on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Pinterest, the Farmers Almanac brand continues to be a popular source for getting back to the basics. Not only does the Farmers Almanac provide valuable long-range weather forecasts, tasty recipes, and gardening advice, it also serves as a cost-effective and creative promotional tool for businesses and companies like yours. And starting with the 2014 Farmers Almanac, our Promotional Edition just got better. Now featuring a full-color cover that looks just like the nationally known Retail Edition, the promotional version of the Farmers Almanac looks just like the version your customers see sold in stores for $5.99. Best of all, you are the only advertiser, with your company's custom imprint featured on the front and back covers. This edition of the Farmers Almanac contains 64 pages of editorial that helps readers grow their lives. It includes everything from weather forecasts to helpful hints, recipes, gardening tips, astronomy, healthy living advice, and much more. When you put your custom message on the promotional version of the Farmers Almanac, you're buying more than just a giveaway your customers will love. You're buying guaranteed year-round exposure. A personalized Farmers Almanac will keep your logo in customer and prospect homes for a whole year. Don't believe it? Check this out. 82% of Farmers Almanac readers keep their almanac for at least 1 year. 71% pick up their almanac 10 or more times in a year. 90% of the people who receive a promotional Farmers Almanac come back to the business that gave it to them. To find out how you can use the Farmers Almanac as a promotional tool to grow your business by increasing sales, building and maintaining customer loyalty, advertising a new product or service, and more, contact us at sales@farmersalmanac.com.